Anand, 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 come. Jaldi just line up. Quickly line up. Hurry up, line up. Greenhouse guys, just line up here. Clyde, get your guys and line up here. Inside here. Quick guys. Yeah, Anand, jaldi karo yaar. Mike, I know. Yeah. Red House guys, hello, come on, line up here. We
Meryl.
don't have time to chat.
Meryl, keep my bag in my bag.
Right. Gloves. All right. Yeah. All, guys, good to go for a camera. अरे खुश रहो यार जल्दी आओ ना यार be with the team be with the team नहीं किसको यहीं पर तुम टीम का साथी रहो किधर किसको ढूंढने मत क्या thank you all right Richie take the ball inside and please team get going thank you
Jared.
these tables and listen other guys should move this table over and these chairs need to be shifted on that side no problem this area is a presentation area so all need to be clear from this this way Richie started no you need to get them there otherwise this will go on this discussion will go on Henry second team को ready करना वो मैं करता हूँ ready कर दिया अरे वो चेयर रख check as the game is about to start quickly run down to the list of sponsors Arun Lalwani Santosh Shetty Vivek Shenoy Zohair Barmal Kiran Joseph Ajay Shukla Juzair Khambawala Madhu Ullal Prakash Fabian Martin Stephen Menezes Rexin Gonsalves Anup Shukla Sarosh Ibra Sukumar, L.V. Subramaniam, Manohar Bangera, Francis D'Souza, Theo Rosario, Kushru Makania, Sanjay Seth, Welvisha, Amol Kalyanpur, Kersi Wandrewala, Rexnand D'Souza, Renan D'Souza. Big thank you for all of you for your wonderful support. This need to be removed. No, this need to be removed. You can keep it this way because this is the main area. You can't cover this up, no? Maybe somebody all over to take pictures will come here. So please remove your this thing. Nothing that side, nothing here on the side is okay. As far as nobody comes and pushes you guys, you can
Okay.
check. Glenn Mascarenas, our BOD, is about to do the kick off. Yes, and Glenn, can we proceed? Yeah. No, no. Okay, 10. Check, check. Just hold on. Just a little technical glitch here. Wait, wait, wait. Yeah, all right. The Red House player who's come out. Who's the player who came out for Red House? थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन हो गया वो क्या था एक्चुअली बच्चों लोग को मिला के वो डाल रहा था गेट इन ओके स्टार्ट ओके डन डन मैं कुछ थोड़ा मेरे ऊपर ध्यान दे देना क्योंकि ये बुक का मैं एक बुक का पिक्चर निकालने वाला है बुक रिलीज का टाइम का वो जब भी पिक्चर निकालना सर हाँ येलो नाइट्स एंड ब्लू विज़र्ड नेक्स्ट एक उधर से हेनरी हेनरी तू वहाँ से हाँ एक माइक ले ले तू भी वो ले ले सिल्वानो गिव हेनरी द माइक Well, what a beautiful weather it is today. It's an ideal day for a football game. Cloudy.
Hello, hello, hello.
Cloudy day, nice temperature about 24, 25 degrees. And the first match in progress is between Red House and Green House. Well, as the position is concerned, Green has been having most of the position. Well,
Hello, hello, hello. Next team, Yellow Knights versus Blue Wizard. Please be ready. And on.
Atul, एक मिनट इधर आ। Very moment what happened was कि cameraman also to keep an eye on me. वो जो book का जब कभी कुछ होता होगा।
ये सर ये है
हाँ,
ना
but I may not be able to draw seconds. ये देख लो। तू कर।
नहीं आप उसको कमेंट देख के रखो कि
मैं
मेरे
नहीं कर
इधर
सकता हूँ, हर टाइम नहीं कर सकता हूँ। यहाँ बैठा है ना तो मुझे दिखता है मैं बुक लेके आके रिलीज करते हैं। यहाँ से वो
एक काम कीजिए ना आपसे इसमें क्या
नहीं ना नहीं 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 होगा, इधर देखिए तो साइड पे मैं जब मुंह मुंह करके मालूम पड़ेगा, मैं उधर लेके बुक लेके आ रहा हूँ। अच्छा मॉर्निंग नहीं नहीं these areas need to be clear. Dilip. Yes, yes, this area should be absolutely clear. Yeah, need to remove this. You can put it on that side. No, no, no. That little more push it inside. That's it. Okay. Push it that side. All right, quickly running down to the rules of the game as the match in progress is between Green Legend versus Red Star. This is a round robin match for each pool, where each team is going to play 3 match semi-finals. The winner of each pool will play against runners-up against the other pool. Each pool winning team will play the runner-up from the other side. Semi-final winner will play the finals to be played between whoever qualifies. Golden Age single exhibition match, that's for 10 minutes, and each of this game is 10 minutes half time. We have to say that the game started 15 minutes late. Apology for the crowd as well as for the sponsors and the donors. Now, players, it's mandatory for every player to wear the kit that's been provided by the organizers, and the main sponsors are the Gemma Geminis title trophy, as well as golden support has come from Ayurveda. Players, as I said, have to mandatorily wear the uniform that has been provided by the organizers. And the shorts this time has also been sponsored, and we are thankful for Zohair Baramal from Astroscribe AI for providing that sponsorship. Shin guard is mandatory, and every player ought to be wearing it. Players not wearing it will be shown a yellow card and will be out of the game for 2 minutes. And playing footwear, it's mandatory. All players have to enter the ground strictly with football or maybe jogging shoes if this place allows it. Otherwise, I know that jogging shoes means it will be roller skate on this lovely, wonderful, slippery arena that we have. And we are so proud of this ground because most of people, it is a culture of our life of growing. Rules and regulation come moving forward. Each team should consist of 10 ex-student and 1 player from school, 2 players from school. It's 9 plus, yeah, it's 9 plus 2. So it's 11 aside. At any given time when the match is on, each team should have minimum 2 school and college players actively engaged playing in the match. Rolling substitution allowed, but has to be strictly done from the team members list itself. Substitute players can enter the field only after active player is stepped out of the play area. In case of substitute entering the play area without active players stepping out, the substitute will be shown yellow card and will be suspended for 2 minutes. Tiebreaker, if the match ends up in no result, no extra time, but tiebreaker will be got in, and in that 3 penalty kicks will be taken and subsequently followed by golden goal till the time we get the results. Yellow Knight and Blue Wizards are the next match that's going to happen. Henry Pinto is the man on the ground, the man on mission to ensure that the game is flowing smoothly on time and for conducting the toss. The members who have helped to put this wonderful show on: Fabius Almeida, technical director of the event. Jordan D'Souza has enabled the entire lovely, beautiful colors that you see around jerseys has been planned, conceived, and also executed. So great job by Jordan. Ramakant Jadhav, instrument in getting the school and the college kids to participate in this tournament. Okay, just remind me before we start. Even half time also we can do it. 1 minute, son. Yeah, just remind me, please, because in the flow I may forget. Yeah, please. Then for the trophies, the handsome trophies and the medal that has been, Clayson Fonseca has been instrument in putting that act on. A big thanks to Clayson. Yellow Knight, Blue Wizard. Can we have the mentors, please, reporting to Henry? Henry Almeida.
Next team, Yellow Knight versus Blue Wizards. Please come near the technical table.
I finished.
तो है ना इधर ही
हाँ, I'm there.
एक अवार्ड देके फिर जाने का तो जाके फिर आ
नहीं,
जाओ।
नहीं, नहीं,
You're fine. आए तो मैं अगर कर दिया then we just want जुड़े काम कर you will do the first honors of the player of the match. पहला वाला award तू देगा player of the match award you will give. That 3 chairs have to be removed. कैमरामैन लोग को जगह नहीं मिलेगा last 3 chairs. इधर इधर लेके देखिए शिफ्ट और इधर लगा सकते हैं इस साइड पे. थैंक्स पेशेंट. हम लोग का ऊपर थोड़ी है वो रेफरी है. You have no role. Your only role is your team. Yeah? 10 minutes हो गए.
Next team, Yellow Knights versus Blue Wizards. Please come for the toss. The captain of the Yellow Knights and the Blue Wizards, please come for the toss. Yellow Knight. Blue Wizard is not come. Okay, you gotta buy this.
Within 4 minutes जैसे होएगा ना, players only, everybody will come. We'll have 1 minute of a condolence because Cletus Morris want to do it now. Yeah, so we'll do that. Yeah. Okay. Acha, now one of the advantage of this tournament is we don't have goal, offside. Okay. So now because it rained and the ground, some of the line could be so only that area need to be little. बस उतना ही है.
Straight away.
वो offside नहीं तो झमेला खत्म. No, even in cricket, for example, the moment DRS when it come in, DRS when it come in, LBW, how many controversies have been stopped? Yet,
The start of the second half, while you're giving the mic to Sudhakar, remind him
मेरा student है, by the way. Yeah, so what's his name? All right. The referee for the day is Alwyn and Richard Mesquita.
No, I told him.
Anybody who wants to, yeah, membership formalities, there's a desk.
Okay.
Hubert had come first. Then,
आपको तेरा होता है मेरा भी को ये बचा देगा ना सर्वाइकल स्पाइन का हाथ पे गिर गया
The schedules are Red Star is the match in progress is Red Star versus Green Legend. The team, the match to follow is between Yellow Knight versus Blue Wizard.
Green Legends, please come on the ground.
Can we have both the teams please come down on the ground? Green Legend as well as Red Star.
Green Legend,
Red
please
Star,
come on the
can you
ground.
please come down a bit this side, near the center area.
Good morning, how are you?
Just
Green Legends, please come on the ground.
come down this side. Guys, hurry up, Green Legend. Come on. Hurry up. Ladies and gentlemen, I got a sad news to share. One of our ex-student, Cletus Moraes, expired today morning. He is from 1991 batch. Can all of you all please stand wherever you all are for a minute of condolence that will follow soon. Sorry guys to interrupt, we'll just need to do this. All right, in memory of Cletus Moraes, we will have a minute of condolence now. All right, rest in peace, my dear friend Cletus. You've gone to the better world. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. The game continues.
Yellow Knights and Blue Wizards, captain, please come for the toss. No problem. We'll wait. ब्लू लेकिन आए नहीं ना
मैं अनाउंस करता हूँ वो मैं अनाउंस करता हूँ. All right, those who are from the Xavier College, boys and girls, as well as those who already passed out and they are around here. And they have not already become the primary membership of our great organization of our alumni. Jude D'Souza is a person to be contacted. He has a form with him. So please go and fill up that. Thank you very much.
पार्टी का बात अरे मैं सुना मैं बेन का बर्थडे है आज मेरे को पार्टी चल रही है
हम लोग को हेलो हमको कंटेंट से मतलब कॉन्टेक्ट
कंटेंट है अपने पास
I will quickly run down the list of players for Red Star. We have Kushru Makaniam as the mentor. Arnold, captain. Alfred, Enroy, St. Jordan, Dwayne, Siddharth, Brendan, Hamza, Omi, Dominic, Imran, Obito, and Polikar are the team members of Red Star. Green Legends, Rohit Yaduvanshi, the mentor. Clyde, captain. RR, I don't know whether it's Rajasthan Royals. It's just written RR here. Denston, Andre, Diga, Samuel, Zivan, Zion, Alvin, Shishant, Farid, Ane, Venkatesh are the team members of Green Legends. For Blue Wizard, we have Joey, Joseph Gracious as their mentor, Joel captain, Nayan, Skylar, Nats, Ayush, Brighton, Siddharth, Neil, Swami, Umer, Bautik, Rohan, Ishan, and Princeton. Paging Henry Pinto, can you please we have the toss conductor on the backside for both the team, please. Thank you. Moving forward.
Blue team captain, please come for the toss.
Team Yellow, Sabi Gonsalves as a mentor, Oswin, Joshua, Ronan, Placid, Myron, Fabian, Cleo, Jaden, Avi, Azzy, Stash, Tejas, and Anirudh. Purple Bloom captain is Vinod Salian as the mentor, Henry captain, Chedi, Avalon, Miller, Jared, Safwan, Aniket, Isaac, Ethan, Ayush, Elric, Vansh, Anis, and Jignesh. Saffron Son, we have Clayson as the mentor. We have Sai, captain, Izzy, Craig, Cyril, MMJB, J, AD, Nikhil, Shalom, Klein, Kylan, Prince, Zain, Slok, Adnan. Grey King. Now, Grey King are the guys from the Golden Age category. So we have Royal, Ashwin, GD, Glenn D'Souza, Wenzel, Glenn, AVD, Sudhakar, Osborne, Henry, D'Souza, and Kevin. And for top legends, we have
Next player can go inside.
Hendrik, Dennis,
One player go inside.
Santos, Joey, Simpson, Harry, VK, Dilip, Prashant, Alfie, Nikona, Mariano. The donors who have made it possible to support this tournament is Kiran, Joseph, Ajay Shukla, Juzair, Madhu, Prakash, K. Fabian Dice, Martin D'Souza, Stephen Menezes, Rexin Gonsalves, Anup Shukla, Sudhakar, Sarosh Aibara, Sukumar, LV Subramaniam, Manohar Bangera, Francis D'Souza, Theo Rosario, Kushro Makania, Sanjay Seth, well-wisher, the guy who's sitting very close to me, Amol Kalyanpur, Kersi Vendrawala, Rexnat, Renan.
Blue and yellow captain, please come for the toss.
कौन? तेरे प्लेयर का? कौन सा मगर?
Where's Joshua?
हाँ तो क्या अभी? तेरा कैटेगरी का?
मेरे को नहीं पता.
All right, though it's been raining, but we are all very thrilled as organizers to see a wonderful crowd gathered right in front. Young boys and girls come down here to patronize this tournament and also support this tournament. It's such a marvelous thing to see those things happening. Nice, and we have, as usual, our patron in-house, Dion, Dion D'Souza. Welcome. Nice to see you. And then, then
Captain
where is the
for
chief,
Blue.
chief prefect's mother is also there. I saw her in the back.
Captain for blue and yellow, please
Or
come.
Jude D'Souza
for
has
the toss.
already done a lot of PR giri for on that. So thank you very much. we have we have our well wishers also traveling all the way from Daman. We have Sushila ji, Theo. Where is Theo? Theo Rosario. They have come down by the evening train yesterday, and here they are watching. I think one of the guy who's come from Mangalore all the way, Nagesh Shetty, is still, I think, siesta, and he may come in quickly. Yeah.
Yellow team has won the toss.
The pen.
Yellow team has won the toss and blue will take the shot.
तिकडला मेन गेट आहे ना आता उघडत नाही ते बंद करून गेलंय
कोण
ताला मारलेला आहे.
आतमध्ये शिरायचं तिकडे
हा पण आहे आणि
पण
ताप पण आहे.
त्या कोपऱ्यात ते गेट जे आहे ते उघडं नाही
काय आहे दोघांना पण ताला मारलेला आहे.
तिकडून जायला लागणार त्या तिकडून जायला लागणार आपण हा इकडचे गेट बंद आहे ना ठीक आहे रे आमच्याकडे 2 बॉल आहे ते काम कर बाळा ऐकून घे बॉल आतमध्ये गेल्यानंतर हा इकडून जाऊन तिकडे आणा
आणि आतमधला आणि आपण तिकडला नाही येणार ना.
हो त्या बाजूचा
हा. मोठा गेट त्याने बंद करून गेलाय.
पोलवॉल्ट येतं तुला पोलवॉल्ट पाटील येते नाही सेशनला शिकवायला सांग आत्ता आत्ता तो शिकवणार तुला
वॉचमॅन पण नाही त्याला सांगितलं असतं उघडायला.
एक काम कर ना ग्लेन सर ना बोल ग्लेन सर मदत करना बहुतेक वॉचमॅनची हां ते कॉन्टॅक्ट करणार हां बोल हां
That's goal number 2 for green.
Henry check. Sincere thanks to Fabius Almeida for making the technical team look as rosy as possible. Fabius, good morning. Fabius, how has it been actually putting all this event together as a technical director?
It's good to see all the youngsters this year as a captain coming up and handling the team. And as every year, we have all good teams, all teams with level up players, and wishing all the best to all the teams. May the best team win.
And as a director, you feel you are under pressure that everything has to go right, including that weather god. You have sent a note up on the top.
No. I am happy that this time I have people to help out as well. I have Henry, Clayson, Sudha sir, and the Joshua is there. So the technical team is really doing good. So good job, everyone, and I hope the tournament goes smooth till the end, and we have a good time.
Thank you very much and have a good day and let all the game go smoothly. Thank you very much, Fabius. All right, we will have.
Blue, come this side. पड़ रहा है यार, किसने मारा? क्लाइड मारा, दोनों क्लाइड. नहीं बट मारा नहीं, गोल उसके नहीं बट वो गोल शॉट ले और उस गोल काउंट होता.
All right. As the game goes on, Henry Pinto, the man on the ground in action, getting all the team together and also getting the toss done. Henry,
Yes.
good morning.
Good morning.
Henry, how has been the experience so far?
It's very nice, but I would like more people to come and participate and help out in marking and doing everything possible to make this event a success.
Henry, I think by the already thing is that we have 2 teams extra added on this year. And plus, yes, I do agree that we need more volunteers. But I think you guys have done a magnificent job so far.
Thanks, Sudha. It is our blessings that we studied in this school and we have to give it back.
That's a spirit, wonderful. Yes, unto others is all about that spirit of Zevrans giving it back. And year after year, event after year, we have been all been collectively doing a great job. I pray and wish that we get that energy to continue for a long time, Henry.
True, Sudhakar. You have come all the way from Dubai and you are doing this. It's a marvelous thing. It's very rare that people come and participate and do for the school, giving it back. That's a nice occasion that we are getting it.
All right, Henry, thank you very much. When you say he's come all the way from Dubai, many people might be wondering that I'm a paid man got from there as a specialist consultant. No, not at all, guys. I'm a fellow Zevrite and it's my birthright to be here and my pay time for doing this event. Thank you very much.
Clyde. For the green, 2 goals scored by Clyde. So the green team wins by 2-0.
All right, heartiest congratulations, Greenhouse, opening the tournament, winning the first match, winning the tournament's first match. Awesome, and both the team, well done, guys. You are giving your heart out. Yes, it's a bit tough there, out there on the murky surface, it's slippery surface, but I think you guys have held yourself well, displayed wonderful skill, and the talent is to be seen. Marvelous. So Greenhouse compliments, congratulations. Red House, well played. Now the team that's now going to play the next match is Blue Wizard as well as Yellow Knight. I beg your pardon, it's Red Star. Well, you show old habits of